Hi, myself Nagaraj Rathod, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, St. Martin Engineering College. Today I will discuss about the operators. Okay, in C programming. What is meant by operator? What is the use of operator? Okay, why we are using the operator in C programming language? Okay, we will discuss one by one. Okay. First, what is meant by operator? Operator is nothing but in order to perform any addition or multiplication or division or modulus, we are going to perform the operations using the symbols, that is plus, minus, asterisk symbol or hyphen symbol, that is division symbol. So let us take one example. Let us take one example. Here I have written A plus B. A means A and B are what? These are the two operands. Plus is the operator symbol. Operator symbol. In order to do any operation, either it may be single operation or either you want to do any addition operation or multiplication operation or division or minus. Okay, first we need what? One operator symbol. It may be plus, minus, multiplication or division or modulus. Before that, you should know that what are the two operands we need. Why we need the two operands? Because in order to perform the arithmetic operation, that is plus symbol, minus, asterisk, multiplication. Here we will use addition, here we will use subtraction, here we will use division, and next one is the modulus. Any program if you are writing, we will use all the symbols. Arithmetic operator is there, conditional operator, relational operator, bitwise operator, increment, decrement operator, special operator. Any one of the operator will be used in order to write the C program. So here we have a definition that operator, that is the symbols that direct the computer to perform the mathematical or logical operation. Means in order to do addition means we are using plus symbol. Minus means we are using minus symbol. So with the help of what? Data or variables in order to perform the operators. Let us go to the next one. Here we have different types of operators. Okay, what are the different types of operator we have? First one is the arithmetic operator, logical operator, relational operator, conditional operator, assignment operator, bitwise operator, and last is the special operator. Total 8 operators are there. Whenever we will write any small program, for example, we will take hello world program. For example, I will take hello world program as input. Here what I use, first I use what? As symbol with the hash input, that is preprocessor directive. In int main I have declared what? Printf, that is I want to print the hello world. Means I want to print the output as what? Hello world. Let us take the another one example, how we are adding addition of two numbers. Int a comma b comma c. So here I have declared a equal to 5, b equal to 6 and c is equal to a plus b. Means I want to add the two variables, that is a plus b. Okay. So here I will get the output. Here I will get the output as what? 11. Why? Because here I have used the single operator, that is plus symbol I have used, means unary operator, arithmetic operator I have used. A plus B means I have taken two variables, A and B are the variables, plus is the symbol, that is for addition purpose. So I have taken what, 5 plus 6, that is 11, I will get the 11 as output. So arithmetic operator. Next we will have what? Conditional operator, relational operator. Okay, what is meant by relational operator? So next one is the relation operator. Relation operator is nothing but what? Here we will have what? I want to create two relation between the two variables. For example, we can take for example A. For example, we can take A equal to 5, B is equal to 6. So just I want here, by seeing the number we can say that one number is smaller, one number is greater. Means here we can say that A is greater than B. Means A value is what? 5, B value is 6. Whether 5 is greater than 6? No. We can, here we have a relation that 5 is smaller, 6 is larger. Means here we are creating the relation between the two variables, that is 5 and 6. For example, if I write 6, 5 is less than 4. Here what is the relation we have? 5 is less than 4 means 5 is greater but 4 is smaller. Just in order to create the relations, we will go for the relation operator. Next one is the logical operator, that is logical and, or and not we will use. What is meant by logical and, logical or and negation we will use. In assignment operator, just we are assigning one value to the variable. Next one is the increment and decrement operator. Here we will use the increase the value by 1 and decrease the value by 1. Next one is the conditional operator. Just we are using the condition. If the condition is true, then our result will be executed. Otherwise, it will go to the next condition. Next, it will get executed. Next one is the seventh one is the bitwise operator. Here also we use the AND operator, NOT operator, and OR operator, tilt operator, and left shift, and the right shift we are using. Last eighth one is the special operator like comma, semicolon, asterisk symbol, slash. Okay, these are the symbol, flower bracket. These are the symbols we are going to use. Means in order to write any one program, simple program, we will use any one of the operators. So first we will go for the addition operator, arithmetic operator. What is meant by arithmetic operator? Arithmetic means just we are performing a single operation, either it may be addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, or modulus, or you can go for the subtraction. Okay, for example, you will take, here I have mentioned the symbol, that is plus means A plus B. Example, I have taken A plus B means A is a variable, B is a variable, and plus is what? Operator. Here I have mentioned A and B. A and B are the variables or operands. Plus is the operator symbol. Means here I have mentioned what? Plus is the operator symbol. Addition means only one single operation. I am using the single operation. I am performing only addition operation. Second one, here I have taken minus symbol. Minus means A minus B is nothing but subtraction, means unary. Unary means single operation only I am performing. Asterisk, that is A star B. It's nothing but multiplication. I am performing multiplication. For example, A equal to 5. 5. A equal to 5. B is equal to 6. So it will perform A into B, that is 5 star of 6. That is, it will get what? 30. Means only I will perform the single operation. Next one is the division. A divided by B. A divided by B means here we will take only the quotient. When we will divide the numbers, we will take only the quotient. Last one is the modulus. Modulus means here we will take the remainder of that quotient. Next one will go for the relational operator. What is meant by relation? Just we are creating a two relations between the two variable, whether it is less than or greater than or less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, or it may be equal to or it is not equal to. Here I have taken, for example, I will take less than. Less than, what is the meaning of less than? Means less than whether the number is less than, for example 3 is less than 4. Yes, our condition is true. Here I have created what? 3 is less than 4. This is A equal to 3, B is equal to what? 4. Means 3 is less than 4. Here I have relation is what? 3 number is smaller, 4 is greater. Next one, less than or equal to. Whether 3 is less than or equal to, it is false, because here the relation it will get false. If it is greater, for example 5 is greater than 4. Yes, 5 is greater. Why? Because 5 is larger number, 4 is the smaller number. Next one, greater than or equal to. Either the number should be greater than or equal to. It should be 6, greater than or equal to 6. So both the condition it should be given. Next one is the equal to. If whether the condition is 4, for example 4 is equal to 4. Here both the numbers are equal to. Next one is the not equal to. It means that, for example 3 is not equal to 4. Yes, 3 number is smaller and 4 is the greater. So 3 is not equal to 4. We can say that these are the relation operator where we are using during writing the C program. Next one is the logical operator. Means here we are creating the logical and, or, and not. Okay, one by one we will see what is meant by logical. Just we are creating a two. We will take the ampersand symbol for logical operator, pipe symbol for logical or, and negation, that is not symbol we are using. Let us take one example how we are creating the and symbol. First we should know that I have taken A and B, two columns I have taken. I have created the truth table, that is A ampersand of B and A or and B. Means here A 0 0 0 is nothing but it is false, 1 is true. Here I have taken the two variable, that is AB 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. What does it means? Whenever the two conditions are true, we need to get what? True. Means when two sets of conditions are true, we need to get the true. Otherwise, either it may be one statement is false or either one statement is true, we will get the 0. 0 represents what? False. 1 represents the true. 0 0 means it is false. It is a AND operator. This is a OR operator. And first one is the false, second one is the false. So when you will truth table will create, we will get what? 0 0. When two conditions are false, we will get the 0, that is false. Whenever 0, A is 0, B is 1, so we will get what? It is false. A is 1, that is true, B is 0, that is false, so we will get what? False. Whenever two conditions are true, we will get the true. That is truth table, that is 1 1, true, we will get the true answer. It is opposite to that of the AND, that is OR is opposite to that of the AND operator. So here we will have what? When the two conditions are 0 0, you will get 0. When 0 1 is there, you will get 1, that is true, it is true, and here also it is true. Only when two conditions are false, we will get the false statement, that is 0 we will get. So this is what the truth table, how we are writing the AND OR. Next one is the negation, not symbol. Negation is nothing but we will have what? 4 is there. We need to take the negation value, that is 4. Negation of 4. Okay. Next one will go for the assignment operator. So here we are assigning a value to the variable. Here I have written the syntax, that is VOP is equal to expression. VOP is equal to expression, where V is what? Variable, OP is what? Shorthand and assignment operator, expression is expression. Means here I have taken example, that is x equal to x plus 3. VOP. Here I have taken x equal to x plus 3. X is what? Here it is a variable. For variable I assign the value equal to x plus 3. Means it is a shorthand operator. For example, I will take a equal to 5. It means a is a variable. I am assigning the value that is 5. B is a variable. I am assigning value 10. For variable I am assigning that value. Let us see some of the shorthand assignment operators. Simple operator, a equal to a plus 1. It is same, we will have the same meaning, that is a equal to a plus 1 can be written as a plus equal to 1. We will have the same meaning. There is no any difference writing the program. A equal to a minus 1. That is a minus equal to 1. A equal to a multiplication into m plus 1. That you can write in the form of a as the multiplication equal to m plus n. Next one, a equal to a divided by m plus n. A divided by equal to m plus n. Here it doesn't change the meaning. A equal to a mod of b. A mod equal to b. Here we have some of the shorthand assignment operator. Next one we will have the increment and decrement operator. What is meant by increment and decrement operator? Increment means just we are incrementing the value by 1. Either it may be plus plus 1. We are decrementing the value by minus minus 1. So we will see some of the what are the increment operator, what is decrement operator. In increment we have two types. One is post increment. Next one is the pre increment. In increment we have that is post increment and pre increment. Post means we are adding after the variable, we are adding the symbol. Increment, let us will discuss about the increment and decrement operator. What is meant by increment and decrement operator? Increment means just we are increasing the value by 1, and decrement means we are decrementing the value by 1. For example, we have two types of increment and decrement operator, that is pre increment, post increment. Here I have given what? Plus plus of a or a plus plus. What does it mean? Means here plus plus of a is nothing but it is pre increment, means before the operand we are using the operator symbol, that is plus plus of a. That is a pre increment. Here post increment I have taken what? A plus plus. This is a post increment. This is pre increment. Why? Because we are adding before the variable. Next one is the pre decrement. Pre decrement, before we are adding this one, this is a pre decrement, that is minus minus. Decrement the value by 1. Here this is post decrement. Just we are incrementing the value by 1. Just we are decrementing the value by 1. So plus plus operator adds a value to 1 to operator, means subtracting the value by the 1. Then what are the rules to define the increment operator and the decrement operator? First we have the two rules is there. One is postfix, either plus plus 1 or minus 1 is used when the variable is given expression. The expression is evaluated first. Next we need to increment the value. We need to increment the value. Coming to the prefix, either in the prefix or in the decrement, variable is given expression. If the increment is decrement by the value by 1, then the expression is evaluated by 1. So here we need to decrement the value and we need to get the new value. Let us take one example. Let us value we have a equal to 5 and b is equal to plus plus of a. What is the value in a equal to b equal to? Means here we have increment the value by 1, that is plus plus of, we will get what? 6 will get. Let us take a equal to 5 and b equal to a plus, that is post increment. Then value will be a equal to 5 and b equal to 6, means first value is written first, next it will get the increment value, that is a equal to 5 is already we have given. So increment value is 6. A prefix operator, first it will add 1, then operand, then the result is assigned to the variable to the left, and postfix it first assign the value to the variable on left and then it will get increment the operand. Next we will have the conditional operator. What is meant by conditional operator? Here we have the conditions. Either first expression is evaluated first. If the condition is true, it returns the value. Otherwise, it will go to the next expression. Okay. Here we have condition expression 1 question mark, that is expression 2, and expression means here we have 3 sets of expression is there. First, where expression 1 and 2 and 3 are the expressions working with what first. For example, we will take expression 1 is evaluated first if it is non-zero, means first it is evaluated. If it is true, it will get execute, otherwise it will go to the next statement. Let us take one example, m equal to 2, n equal to 3, that is m is greater than n. M means here we have what, 2 value is there, so m is smaller. M is smaller, we have what, m is greater than n, m is 2 and n is 3. So here condition is what, 2 is less than 3. So condition it will satisfy, it will execute the result, that is 1. Suppose it is false, it returns 0 and it will go to the next step. Next one we will have what, bitwise operator. What is meant by bitwise? And, or, and not, caret symbol and left shift symbol and the right shift symbol. Here also we will use the bitwise and, bitwise or, that is pipe symbol, caret symbol and the left shift symbol and the right shift symbol. At last we will have what, special symbols. What are the use of special symbols? Here also we will use what, like comma, semicolon, pointer symbol, addition symbol, plus symbol, minus symbol and dot operator. Okay, in order to get the structure member, we will use the dot operator. Arrow operator means in order to write any one simple program, we will use the special symbols like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, size of operator, ampersand, asterisk symbol and dot and comma, semicolon. All these symbols will be used in the special operator. In order to write any one small program also, we will use the special program. Let us take one example. Here I have taken what, special symbols. I want to add the special symbols. Printf, St. Martin's, Engineering College. So here I have used what? I have applied the asterisk symbol. Here I have used the double quote, I use the semicolon in order to write the special symbols. I have used the asterisk symbols. Okay. This is what about the special operator last. Okay, let us see one small video regarding the operators. Here I will discuss about the bitwise, that is logical operator in C. So here what is meant by bitwise and, or and not, we will discuss one by one. Here we will be using the AND operator, that is ampersand symbol we are using. So data is represented in the form of what? Zeros and 1. Here we are using the bitwise, that is AND operator, that is ampersand we will use. For example, we will have what? A equal to 5 that is binary. When we will write in the binary, we will get what? A equal to 5 will get. How we are getting that binary? 101 will get the binary. That is how we are calculating that was binary. That is 5. 5 is there means 2 to the 4, 1 is remainder, 2 ones are 1, that is 0. So in binary we will get what? A equal to 5, that is 101. In the same way we will go for the next number, that is B equal to 4. Bitwise operator. Here we are having what? Bitwise logical and pipe symbol, caret symbol and negation, tilt symbol, and ampersand is used for and pipe symbol, left shift and the right shift. Let us take one example. Here we are using the truth table, that is A and B. A and B, I am comparing the value for A and B. A is 1, B is 1, A and B is 1, A is 1, B is 0. So here here we have what? A equal to 1, B is equal to 1. B is equal to 1 and here written A equal to 1. What does it mean? Means when the two statements are true, then the condition is true. If any one of the statement is false, that is 1 is 0, 1 is nothing but it is a true, 0 is false. Here two sets of statements are false, that is 1 0 is there, so we have written 0, 0 1 is there, I have written 0, 0 0 I have written. And now I will discuss about the bitwise operator, bitwise logical operator. Here we have bitwise can be data is represented in the form of zeros and 1, binary representation in the form of zeros and 1. Here we have A is equal to 5. How we are going to calculate the binary data in 5? For 5 we are calculating, that is 101. How we are calculating? 2 to the 4, that is 1 is remainder, 2 ones are 1, that is 1 and 0 is. So we will get for binary, that is for 5 we will get 101. Like that we need to take the two numbers. Next one we will discuss about the what are the bitwise logical operator, that is and operator, tilt operator, pipe operator, caret operator, and ampersand is used for and, pipe operator for or, caret is for or, and the tilt operator, left shift and the right shift operator. Let us, we will have one example. We have taken A and B. A equal to 1 number means here we are taking the truth table, that is 1 1. 1 1 is nothing but two set of statements are true, 1 1. We have got what? A and B means only when two sets of statements are true, it will return true. Otherwise all the statements will be false. Here we have 1 0 is 0, 0 1 is 0, 0 0. Two sets of statements are false means it will return false. Let us take one example. A equal to 4, B is equal to 5, C equal to, what is the answer we will get? Here already we calculated the truth table, that is A and B. C equal to what? So binary number for 4 is 100, binary number for 5 is 101. For these two numbers I need to get the answer C. What is the AND operator? So 0 1 is what? It returns 0, 0 0 it is returns 0, 1 1 is 1. 1 means it means that 100, that is 100. What is the value? Means 100 is nothing but we will get the answer C is 4. It is returned in 4. So next one we will go for the bitwise OR operator. It is opposite to that of the AND operator. In AND, only when two sets of statements are true, it returns true. Otherwise all the statements are false. But here, coming to the OR operator, here only when two sets of statements are false, it returns 0. Otherwise all sets of statements are true, that is 1. Let us have one example. Bitwise OR. Here I have taken 1 1. 1 1 means 1, 1 0 is 1, 0 1 is 1, 0 0. 0 0 means two sets of statements are false, so it is written false. So bitwise OR, here we will take the example as what? OR operator. Here also we are calculating what? A number for 4 that is 100, 5 is 101. So here we'll get the answer is what? 01 is 1, 00 is 0, 11 is 1. So here we'll get the 11 is 1. 101 is nothing but what? 5. When we will calculate for OR, when we will calculate for 4 and 5, we'll get the answer is what? OR is also 101, that is nothing but we will get the 5 number. So in this way we are calculating the AND and OR operator in bit logical operator. Here we got what? C equal to 5. Today I have discussed the topic operators. Okay, thank you.